okay if you mess up. You don't even gotta use concealer. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So today's video, you guys, I want to try out some eyebrow products. If you guys have been on my channel for a while, you guys know that I struggle with my brows at times. It's just so hard to sometimes get them even. Sometimes they look like they're sisters, sometimes they look like they're cousins, and then sometimes I'm just like, what is you doing? And some of you guys are nice about it, and some of you guys just freaking rip me a new one. So I went on eBay and Amazon and I got these two. So I've grown out my eyebrows finally, and now I feel like, okay, this is the time where I can kind of even them out. I want to do it on camera. I want to do this with you guys. So we're gonna be trying two different things. These ones that I thought were pretty freaking neat. It gives you different shapes of brows that you can do. Do you guys see? So it's like there's different shapes. Mira. Right? Yeah, like you see, like there's different shapes that you can do for your eyebrows, because not everyone likes the same eyebrow. See how they're different? We just apply them like a sticker. So I can't wait to try these out. And then I got this baby right here. This one was super, super cheap. And you just put it on like this. So I want to do both. We're going to see how it looks. So this is the eyebrow template. This is it right here. So here is this one. And you see, like, yeah, my brows would not even be even. You guys see that? Like, is there a way we can shape them? Because, like, they're hella arched up. Look at that. Or are we supposed to do it like this? Because I'm pretty sure not like that, right? Like this, maybe? But even that? No. Okay. Let's just freaking do it. So we'll be using my Morphe Brow Cream right here, along with my Morphe E29 brush. Okay, so we're just going to, I think, like that, right? Because, like, if I do it like this, it's like, I'm gonna look like Spark. You know what I mean? Like, what's up? So maybe like this. Maybe like that. I don't know. We'll see. So I got some brow product in, and I'm just going to outline how my brow should look. I'm trying not to move because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just going to fill it in. Maybe I should use a brow pencil. So using my LA Girl Shady Slim. And we're just going to fill this in. Yeah, that's so much easier. And then we could go in with the brow cream if needed. All right, and then this one. It's so hard to do. No. Okay, let's try. This is, oh my gosh, not going good. I have to spoolie it out because I could feel it clumping. Yeah, it's so hard because you move the thing. I mean, like, it's not bad, but it's missing right here. And I guess you could, like, fix it with, like, the fake strokes. Like, there you go. Let me see. I'm going to go in and see if we can fix the tail. Okay. Let's clean them up. Let's see. Let's see if we were to, like, really rock this eyebrow, okay? So let's just, we're just going to spoolie a little bit. Because, like, I would have to cover all of that. You know what I mean? So let's see. So, I mean, I guess, yeah, okay, I guess. It's like not that bad. Once you clean it up and stuff and you cover the other hairs, it's really not that bad. It's like, okay, I could see. And then you would just clean it up like right here if you like wanted to fix the tail. And then right here. Yeah, I guess not bad. If you even wanted to make them like crispity crunchy, we can do that, okay? Yeah, you see, not bad. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Like, for real. It's like, okay, not bad. And for the price, can't beat it. All right, so let's go on to the next ones. So now we're moving on to the stickers. I really like how they come with a lot, so you can just have fun with it, you know? So there's this one, there's this one, then there's this one. So there's 4 styles in total, 5 styles in total. How do these ones look? These ones, I think I should go with a thicker one just because my eyebrows are pretty thickums. Okay, so hopefully these are easy. Peel it off, and then you just push this through. Comes off, and then you have Eyebrow. Mira. Nice. You could even outline your eyebrow, and then boom, that's the shape, right? That's cool. Oh, so just saying, you could do that, but let's just, I like how it has the lines too, so you can make sure that they're symmetrical, which is cool, because I do have a problem with that. I am not ashamed to admit. Oh, you stick that on your forehead. Ooh, what's up, girl? And then we're gonna make sure these are symmetrical. That's fucking badass. That is so badass. Okay. Right? Are they? I think they are. I get so happy. Gonna have straight brows. Ooh. Ooh, I am psyched. I already like the shape. Like I do. Look at that. Ooh. Maybe one of these days I'll go in and tint my brows using this. Okay, so that is symmetrical, right? Yeah, that is. Look. Pink. I'm excited. I'm gonna go in with the pomade, and then I'm just going to line right here. And I like that I don't have to hold. You had to hold and stuff, so that's why I couldn't do it this way. The sticker way is the smart way. Oh, okay. And let's just make sure we fill in our brows. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. And it's okay if you mess up. You don't even gotta use concealer. Ooh, look at that. And I'm just gonna lightly fade the beginning and then flip up. Oh dang, this is cool. And just bully in. That looks nice. Like even looking at it, I'm just like, today's gonna be a good eyebrow day. I hope. I'm over here speaking like I already know. I don't know yet, so. Tail, everything's gonna be looking nice and crispy. Ooh. You guys know I get so hype when things work out. It's like hell yes. And then you can blend. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm excited. Watch me take them off and they'd be like, oh, But if I take them off and they look nice, then we're gonna get to plucking and make sure that we keep them. And make sure when you peel things off, you don't tug your skin. Just make sure you do it all nice, okay? You're so beautiful. It's true. So I just gotta clean up underneath here and yeah. Ooh. All right. I don't know. I feel like there's always one I like more than the other. This one I'm really digging. This one I'm just like, you pretty, I guess. So let's go in and clean my brows and get to plucking. Because I do like how they did clean them up a bit. This one, I feel like it kind of went round a little bit. Like maybe I applied too much product, so it kind of made it go round. But that's okay. So all right here, I'm going to remove the hair. So basically wherever there is concealer, I'm going to remove the hair. I want to redo that eyebrow. I'm going to redo this one. Let me go in and apply this one just to be safe. Symmetrical. Go in again. So that looks a little bit better. For sure. I wonder how it would be if we used these ones like how I said. Does it get it exactly? Oh, I want to see. And then let's see. Let's apply the concealer. I'm just playing all around. This is how I am when I like play with makeup. I always like, oh, can you do it this way? Can you do it this way? Can you do it that way? Yeah, I even think this way too. It's like easy cleaning it up. You don't get any on your eyebrow. Yeah, and it looks cleaned up that way too. Okay. I can go a little bit higher right here. Then I'm gonna pull you guys close and then we're gonna start plucking. First, let's lay down with gel. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay brow tamer. We're just gonna pull these hairs up and then we're just going to pluck. Right. I think I should make it like a little bit lighter so you guys can see what I'm plucking. Lighter as in the concealer. So I made it lighter so you guys can see. So you see right here where it looks like it's kind of smeared. It's not smeared. It's my hair. So we have to go in and we're going to go in with these tweezers. These ones are from Revlon. You guys hear me rave about these ones. I love these ones. I love them to pluck and to apply my eyelashes. So let's go. You guys see the hair? I don't know if you guys can see the hair. All right. And what I like doing, I like going in with my husband's razor. So now I'm gonna go in my husband's razor, pull my skin, and just clean up around the brow. Just to make it more nice and crispy. Please be careful doing that. Make sure if you are underage, please do not do that step. Please. Look at that fierce ass eyebrow. What's up? Okay. Okay. Same thing. Again, do not use this if you are underage. If you are under 18. Just going to clean it up. Here it's looking kind of naked. Okay, and you can clean on top, but I really like how it looks. So I'll definitely be linking this eyebrow product down below. Oh yeah, that looks nice. How do they do it? How do they do it? They go. How do they do it? They go. Is that? Don't do that at home. I just poked the shit out of my eye. Ooh, I almost took my contact out. Don't use the razor at home. If you are not over 18, use one of these if your parents let you. You guys can find this at Walmart. So this is what I feel comfortable doing to the middle of my eyebrow. So you just boom, one and done. And you can even go in with your scissors, kind of get the hairs that fall down. If you need it to be like extra crispy, or if you want to kind of cut up top. I don't like to do that as much anymore because I feel like I go overboard and I take like too much off, you know what I mean? So here's how everything looks with my makeup on. The eyebrows look good. I definitely recommend the stencils over this thing right here. This did work. It was like, you know, it was okay, but I feel like this was so much easier because you didn't have to hold anything, and I like how it lined it up so that it could be symmetrical, which was freaking awesome. I will definitely link them down below so you guys can check them out. I definitely think this is an eyebrow game changer. Seriously helped out so much. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial slash eyebrow tools. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Make sure to check out my other eyebrow tutorials. I will leave the playlist down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.